Hello friends, welcome to the channel Dream Job. Today I come up with a new job update that is from Honeywell and HP company. These two jobs does not contain any coding, so it will be easy to crack the exam. Next we will see about the company description, where it's an American multinational company that provides commercial and consumer products, engineering service and aerospace system. Next, about the position they are hiring for. They are hiring for system engineer and BE BTech students are eligible. And the pass out year is 2018, 2019, 2020. The job location will be Bangalore. The salary will be best in the industry. As per the company standards, they will provide the salary. Next is the required skills or the qualification. Eligibility for the process of system engineer profile is bachelor degree in engineering. If you are in any branch, then you are eligible. You have to do BE or BTech. Freshers should have good knowledge of the system development cycle. You can check in the Google about the system development cycle and study about that. Next is the individual should have the quick analysis and apply new information and concept to the business requirement. The fresher should have ability to communicate with the individual and all levels in the organization. Next is the fresh individual should have self-motivated and work with a little supervision. You have to be self-motivated and work with a little supervision and who can consistently work with the initiative to get work done. And you have to be adaptable to the changing environmental in the company as per as the business required. Next, you have to be multitasking and you have to have a good knowledge of data structure to provide analytical problems solving. And if you are eligible for this job, then apply the job as soon as link get expired. And the next, the company will verify your resume and it will send the interview call letter to the respective email ID. Next company is HP. The HP is hiring for a freshers. It's a virtual recruitment. Here also without coding. Any pass out is eligible. The job role that is provided by the HP is financial analyst. The qualification is university degree with a focus in business or economic recommended or equivalent experience. If you are a fresher, then also you can apply. If you are experienced, then also you are eligible for this job. Any year of pass out students are eligible for this job. And the salary will be 3.1 to 8.5 LPA. Here the job location will be Bangalore. Next, the responsibilities of the job are providers financial analysis for the function or business, perform data extraction and analysis data to make recommendations, and you should be flexible to handle business issues, financial business issues, and should be provide analytics to the business initiatives, develops an understanding of HP financial process and the working knowledge of business. Next is the education and experience required. If you are fresher or if you have a 1 to 2 years or many years of experience in the financial analyst, then you are eligible for this job to apply. And what are the knowledge and skills are required for this job? Are you have to be basic understanding about the accounting process and basic analytics skills and good business application skills. For example, Microsoft Excel, good communication skill, good teamwork skills. The next job role where the HP company is hiring is technical customer representative. The qualification here is higher school education. Our students are eligible. The year of pass out is any pass out year. The salary will be 3.2 to 9.7 LPA. Here the job location will be Bangalore only. Next comes the responsibility of the technical consumer representative, working more independently and form a standard protocol to respond to the customer issues. The main is you have to respond to the customer and respond to the services, product, technical, and customer relationship questions on subjects such as features, specification, repair, and current, discontinued product, parts, and options based on customer alignment. You have to be participate in project for process or quality improvement. You can look after this slide where various responsibilities are given below. Next is the education and experience required. Education required is high school education or equivalent. Experience here they have given 1 to 3 years of general experience is given, and it will be equivalent to college level education. Knowledge and skills required for these jobs are superior skills in both written and verbal communication. Communication is the most important in this job role. Experience in customer facing role, neither remote or face to face. You have to be fluency in the speaking face to face and also in the softwares, charting the softwares, and you have to be comfortable with the using of the computers and software application such as Microsoft Office, programming, problem solving skills, Adobe Suite. And mainly you have to be accurate in data entry. Excellent fluency in the language to be supported. Experience in the phone based remote role, e-support, e-chat are similar. It is must required. And you have to be familiar with the computer technologies and knowledge of management system and appropriate documentation of the system is required. So that's all about today's job updates. So don't forget to subscribe the channel to get the more job update. Please subscribe the channel. That's all about today's job update. Thank you.